Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream Maya. Start by warming milk and cream, whisking sugar and eggs, then tempering eggs with hot milk to avoid curdling. Cook gently until the custard coats a spoon, then cool fast in an ice bath to halt cooking. Chill thoroughly before churning for better texture. Finish by freezing in a shallow container until firm, stirring once if needed. Making Meyer ice cream starts with choosing quality ingredients and careful preparation. Heat milk and cream, dissolve sugar, and temper egg yolks slowly to prevent scrambling. Cook until the mixture thickly coats a spoon, then cool rapidly in an ice bath and refrigerate until thoroughly chilled. Cold base churns more efficiently and yields smoother texture. Proper chilling also reduces ice crystals and improves overall mouthfeel for the finished ice cream. Churning gives Meyer ice cream its creamy body by adding air and setting the base while freezing. Pour the well-chilled custard into a cold machine and churn until it thickens to soft serve, then transfer to a shallow container for faster firming. Smooth the surface and press parchment to reduce ice crystals while freezing. Let the container freeze until firm, and allow a few minutes at room temperature before scooping.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.